totally they are like asking you should be fluent in
Yeah.
Swedish and English.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
I realized that is a very
Yeah.
important thing.
And especially when you
So
are in a creative field, then I think you have to know Swedish. For example, me also, I'm from marketing, so I need to know the language.
okay.
Okay, and what happens, with us, especially Indians, what happens is we don't speak Swedish at home, right? We have our own mother
Yes.
tongue at home.
Yeah.
So then, where do you practice? And language means practice. How many hours also you
Exactly.
sit in the class, you do the theory, you read the books, it's not going to help until unless you go outside and speak the
Yes.
language, right? So it's always, I think I advise that start from day one, because see, now I can speak Swedish and I can understand Swedish, I can converse in Swedish, but I am not Swedish. I'm not born here. So that native fluency will take many years. And here, the Swedish is not just one type. Like in Gothenburg, people will speak different type of Swedish. Then if you go to Stockholm, they will speak different type of Swedish. That they're very fast. Okay. If you go to Malmo, oh my God, it's a bouncer. Because I have worked with different types of people, and by the time you get to all this, it's not just, it doesn't depend on this basic Swedish. You need to get fluent, and that is what they expect from you. So if you, the late you start, the late you're going to be, right? So, and always we think like, oh, Swedish, it's just, I mean, I'm not going to stay here forever, why should I learn the language? That is the initial hesitancy what we have in the beginning. But I think if you remove that from your mind, and if you say, no, I'm just learning for fun, or maybe I'm learning just to understand the culture, that will reduce the pressure, and you will also get interested in the language, because Swedish culture is interesting. So let's say you say that I want to understand it, for my sake, and then you start.
That is correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually.